how to add product pictures to Wix website. So basically you're gonna have to go to add elements, and then if you scroll down you can see that you should have these product settings here. So you're gonna have to go to store, and as you can see here you have grid product gallery, then you have slider related products. So basically, if you want to add the product with the image, you're gonna have to select any of these. But if you just want to add a picture with the product and maybe add a link to it, you're gonna have to go to gallery here and then simply choose any of these, as you can see. And basically that's it. So as you can see, if I go here to store, then I'm gonna click on product widget. I'm gonna, as you can see, I have this widget here, and basically I'm gonna have to simply select the product, and there will be the image of the product, and whenever someone clicks on it, they're gonna get redirected to buy it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.